Good morning and welcome back. Today is the 7th of January, 2019. Got to remember to write that on all your papers as we get going. Like it says, I am pretty tired. I'm sure you guys are too. Today's weather right now, it is nasty outside. It is going to get up to 48 degrees. It was supposed to rain all day, so probably won't be able to get outside for recess. Low temperature tonight is 43 degrees. Let's see. PBIS expectations this week is for the cafe. So we're going to start with being safe. Make sure you're walking in there. You never know when you're going to step on one of those grapes or maybe a crunchy baby carrot and slip. Don't want that to happen. Report all spills, okay? And then keep your hands and feet to yourself. Eat your own food. If you're bringing good stuff, don't share it and don't get mad when people ask you for it. They're going to want that good stuff if you bring it. So don't get mad at them for doing that. Clean up your table and the floor. Voice level 2 while in line. Raise your hand to leave the table at all times. Don't just get up when you want to. Use kind words and actions and place all of your trash in the cans. It is not a basketball game. All right. No staff announcements that were given to me today. Lunch today, we're looking at a super sloppy joe on a whole grain bun, baked beans, applesauce, crunchy baby carrots. Tomorrow, we're looking at a terrific taco. It is Taco Tuesday tomorrow. Flour tortilla or taco shell, shredded iceberg lettuce, diced tomatoes, shredded Mexican cheese or red grapes. See, tomorrow don't run. You're running into one of those grapes. Crunchy baby carrots. Special announcements, just that this Friday is our PBIS reteach, and then the 25th of this month is a half day for students. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. All right, here we go with the pledge. Actually, I'll give you a minute to stand up. I'm sorry. All right, here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. As always, please make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers.